Vegan dessert recipes, satisfying your sweet tooth. With the vegan lifestyle gaining more popularity, it's no surprise that vegan desserts have become a delicious and healthy alternative for those who have a sweet tooth. Whether you are a vegan or simply looking to incorporate more plant-based options into your diet, these vegan dessert recipes are sure to satisfy your cravings while providing numerous health benefits. One popular vegan dessert that satisfies any sweet tooth is vegan chocolate mousse. Made from rich and creamy avocados, this indulgent dessert is not only decadent, but also packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. To make it even more delicious, you can top it off with vegan whipped cream or fresh berries for a burst of flavor. Another delicious option for those craving a classic treat is vegan banana bread. By substituting eggs with flax eggs and using plant-based milk and butter, you can create a moist and flavorful banana bread that is entirely vegan-friendly. Not only is this recipe a great way to use up overripe bananas, but it's also a healthier alternative to traditional banana bread, since it contains no dairy or animal products. For those who prefer a lighter and more refreshing option, vegan sorbets are the way to go. Homemade sorbets are incredibly easy to make, requiring just a few ingredients such as fruit and natural sweeteners. Whether you choose to make strawberry, mango, or lemon sorbet, these cool and fruity treats are perfect for a hot summer day and offer a guilt-free indulgence. If you're looking for something a bit more decadent, vegan brownies are the perfect choice. By using ingredients like coconut oil, almond flour, and cacao powder, you can create fudgy and chocolatey brownies that are both vegan and gluten-free. Whether enjoyed on their own or served warm with a scoop of vegan ice cream, these brownies are bound to satisfy even the most intense chocolate cravings. When it comes to vegan dessert recipes, there is no shortage of creativity. For instance, vegan cheesecake made with cashews and coconut milk provides a smooth and creamy texture that rivals traditional cheesecake. With a variety of flavor options such as chocolate, berry, or peanut butter, you can satisfy your cravings while still sticking to your vegan lifestyle. Vegan desserts aren't just limited to cakes and pastries. You can also indulge in vegan cookies. By using plant-based butter, unrefined sugar, and flax eggs, you can create a cookie that is just as chewy and delicious as its non-vegan counterpart. Whether you opt for a classic chocolate chip or try something unique like oatmeal raisin or peanut butter cookies, vegan cookies are a perfect option for satisfying your sweet tooth. In conclusion, vegan dessert recipes offer a perfect solution for those looking to satisfy their sweet tooth while adhering to a plant-based lifestyle. With a wide range of options, from chocolate mousse to banana bread, sorbets to brownies, and even cheesecake and cookies, there is a vegan dessert for every craving. By substituting animal-based ingredients with plant-based alternatives, these desserts not only taste delicious, but also offer numerous health benefits. So go ahead and indulge in these guilt-free and mouth-watering treats. Your taste buds and body will thank you. I hope this information on vegan dessert recipes was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more topics and tips on being vegan, vegan recipes, vegan smoothies, vegan diets, and healthy eating as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe. So let's make today the day we start changing our eating habits for a better life. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are what you eat.